Hello everybody. Today we're writing quotients as fractions, mixed numbers, and decimals. Let's look at this first problem. 10 friends are going hiking. They bought a 3-pound tub of trail mix to share equally. How much will each friend get? So we're taking 3 pounds, dividing it among 10 friends, and we get our quotient. So as to write our quotient as a fraction, it's simply 3/10. Each person would get 3/10 of a pound. To write this as a decimal, we're going to take 3 divided by 10. Of course, 10 does not go into 3, it goes 0 times. So then we have to extend this out. We're going to put a decimal here, add a 0, and then we think 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So our answer in decimal form is 3/10. Now let's try a second problem. Okay, for a second problem, the friends hiked 5 miles in 2 hours. If they hiked the same distance each hour, how many miles did they hike in 1 hour? To find the answer, we have to take our 5 miles divided by 2. Our quotient as a fraction would be 5/2. Now, as you know, that's an improper fraction. If we divide our numerator by our denominator, 2 goes into 5 2 times. There's 1 left over, so we have 2.5. Now, to show the same quotient as a decimal, we take 5 divided by 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. We add a decimal point, which we have to remember to put it up here also. Add our 0 and bring down. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So our answer in decimal form is 2 5/10. Now it's your turn to try. Good luck.